Direct replacement. This automatic transmission shift indicator cable bracket matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This bracket is a reliable replacement for an original part that has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Auto trans shift indicator cable brackets allows you to repair just the failed bracket instead of replacing the entire auto trans shift indicator assembly, saving time, money and labor. Top reviews from the United States. Quality equal to OEM. Plastic transmission gear indicator adjuster is made of plastic like OEM adjuster, so it should last as long. I also ordered the all-metal one which I installed and fit perfect, works great. I am keeping this plastic one as a spare, don't know why. The metal one will last forever. But at least this part is still available for my 26-year-old Ford Explorer.